Good afternoon, people. And today we're going to talk a little bit more on these survival sticks that we ordered because we had some people call in and some people email us that they would have liked to have seen the inside and how it was packed. On the gentleman's site, he does show that. I think we did give the site, but you know what? I'll get into this a little bit more and we'll actually take apart one of our sticks, except I'm not going to take this paracord out. I will tell you what's underneath it because I don't think I'll ever get it back as good looking as this. So without further ado, let's pull this top cap off. And underneath this top cap, we have a compass. I'm going to remove the compass, which has got a little cork there to seal it, keep the water out. So here's our compass. We have 9 inches of snare wire. And there is a well, I guess that was easy enough. Well, now that I pulled this 9 feet of snare wire out that's attached to the waterproof capsule in here, and that stuff went all over the ground, I've picked it all up and put it back on the table. And what you've got, which holds everything in, is your compass. And it's right here. You've got a signal mirror, which is right here. You've got a Vaseline cotton ball wrapped and contained by a straw that's sealed on both sides so it doesn't get all over everything inside. You've got a ferrous rod. Inside this you have a striker and a number 22 surgeon scalpel in case you need it. Inside of this you have matches, you have hooks for fishing, you have sinkers, and you have 2 purification water tablets, along with 9 feet of snare wire that is wrapped around and comes out to the top so that you can use these pieces to pull everything out. Everything else is inside of this paracord, which I believe the strength on this is 550 pounds, and I'm believing it's 36 feet long in length. So when you unravel this, you'll get a 54 by 84 survival blanket. You'll get 50 feet of 12-pound test for fishing. You'll get 9 feet of duct tape. And you'll get an orange signal panel, a 12 by 12 orange signal panel, and 12 by 12 inch aluminum that you can make into a bowl to purify your water or whatever you need to do. Besides that, I am not going to take that apart. If you go to the gentleman's website, he'll show you everything that's underneath the paracord, but he doesn't take it all apart either. So this is where everything is. They drill down in the top. Everything else is right here on top of your handle. And on the bottom, you have a threaded rod. If you go out and buy yourself some broadheads, any kind of a spearing arrowhead type of arrow, they will screw right into this, which will turn this into a spear. So say you are out there and you're stuck, you can spear for fish. It'll keep away animals. It'll become a weapon for you. So the rest of this is for tracking. It's a measuring stick. You start from here, from the heel of the track. You move forward to where the next one is, and then you move forward to where the next one is. And if you're chasing something down, you know if the animal is running from you, because from heel to heel, it gets longer. If he's walking, heel to heel will get shorter. So you know whether you're catching up on your prey or not, depending on what you're hunting. It's a great stick. I believe the prices were $50 when we bought them. I think they've gone up to $60, and he will send it to you in the mail. And if you've watched our first video, it took us quite a long time to open these up. These things are packed very well. And I looked long and hard before I decided on these sticks. You can get them any color you want. You can get it natural grain if you want. Whatever your preference is. Magenta, camouflage, army green, purple, red, lime green, bright orange, whatever you want, he'll make it for you. And he's got a ton of other stuff that you may be interested in also. So on this note, I'm gonna try to put this back together. This could be a little bit of a challenge for me. Let's see if this goes back together as easy as it came apart. I think I'm going to get a screwdriver and push that down with the screwdriver, because this fits really snug, which is good to keep it watertight in there. If you give me a second, I'll get a screwdriver and I'll be right back. Oh, that was magical. Top back on, everything inside. Bottom back on, everything inside. So when it's all said and done, and I've got my cheat sheet right here so I didn't forget anything. Under the 36 feet of paracord, which is 550-pound test, you have a 54 by 84 survival blanket. You have 50 feet of 12-pound fishing line. You have 9 feet of duct tape. You have 12 by 12 aluminum foil. And you have a 12 by 12 orange signal panel. Packed inside, which I just took out, you have a compass, a signal mirror, 9 feet snare wire, Vaseline coated cotton ball inside of your green straw that is closed and sealed on both sides. You have a ferrous rod with a striker. You have a surgical scalpel, number 22. You have 4 strike anywhere matches that is inside the waterproof container. Also inside that waterproof container is 1 glow stick, 1 Rambo needle, the plastic waterproof container itself, 4 fishing hooks, 4 fishing sinkers, 2 water purification tablets. And that is everything this stick has, along with your outside tracking. Like I said, we looked long and hard for what we decided we were going to get, and this is what we went with. Thank you again for turning in or tuning in. We'll see you on the road. And like I said, you can text us or email us with any more questions. We're doing this for you. So hopefully you've got enough information on this stick now to make a decision on your own.